Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. For this one, we can arrange like this. So when s approaches to number 3, we put number 3 cone here. The integration from number 3 to number 3. This one you got number 0. We put number 3 cone here. So 3 minus number 3. We got number 0 in here. That means we have 0 over 0. So we can use about F hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and the denominator. So for this one, we have the formula in here. F of s equals to the integration from a to b, f of t dt. So if we do first derivative, we need to do first derivative of b, and the value of b will change for t, minus we need to do first derivative of 8, and the value of 8 will change for t. So this is the technique how to answer this one. So we have like this. So for this one, we need to do first derivative of s minus number 3 multiplied by s minus, we do first derivative of s multiplied by s minus number 3 over s squared. So this one we have number 1, this one we have number 0, this one we have number 1, this one we have number 1. Now we need to simplify it. So this one we have number 0. This one that is about side s over s. So s minus s we cancel negative with negative. We have positive number 3. Now we simplify s and s. Now we put number 3 cone here and here. So we just have only side of number 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.